Hello, welcome. We are down at Pullman Business Park in Butler, PA. Now, for you that don't know what this is down in Butler, Pennsylvania, off of Hanson Avenue. We're down here. It's near an old industrial park. They used to make train cars down here, Pullman Standard, something. But the other thing that was down here was the Bantam building, where they made the first Bantam Jeep. Now I'm looking right at the building here. Let me flip this around and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking at. There it is. That is the Bantam building. That's where the Jeep was first made. Old 76 on the building. Now that stack is, there was a stack here back when that building was Bantam's. The old stack had something wrote on it, so they must have refurbished, put a new stack up, or refurbished the old one. But Pullman ended up making that into, I think that was a stamping building where they stamped out metal. Let's walk over here and get a little closer look. So, a little bit closer here. Guessing those were some sort of offices down here. Those square things in the windows were air conditioners, sliding air conditioners. But that is where it all started. So, this here is AK Steel property now. This road right here in front of us, that's Bantam Lane or Bantam Street or something Bantam. But it goes out to Pillow Street. If you come in off of Pillow Street, you'll come to a gate. You can't go no further. So, everybody has always seen this side of the building and probably the other side over there, but nobody's ever really seen the back side of it. Well, we're going to fire the drone up today and do a circle around the building. So, let's see what we can get into. You might even get to see a drone get crashed and lost, because it's been a while since I've had it out. But, we'll see what happens here. So today we're going to use the DJI Spark. It's a little windy today, but I don't think we'll have much issue. There is a lot of metal in the ground here though. I've had issues flying it here before. Just the metal in the ground from the mill just wreaks havoc on the satellite for the location and everything on it, and makes the video cut in and out. So hopefully we'll have a little better luck today. Yep, maybe not. We'll see here in a little bit. Well, I hope you liked the video today. I'm going to do a couple more things down here. Like and subscribe if you would, please. And we'll get something else. And I'm glad I just finished, because AK had a truck just come in over there. I don't know what they'd say about me flying the drone, but yeah, we got it though. So there she is for all you Jeep fanatics.